So OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, have just introduced a new feature called GPTs. And these are custom versions of the chatbot, the ChatGPT chatbot that you can create, you can customize. So it's similar to the custom instructions that we've had for a while, but in this case, we don't have to copy and paste, change those out whenever we want something different. We can have dedicated chatbots that have dedicated sets of instructions. To access it, you click on your name if you're a ChatGPTs user and click on My GPTs. And it will come with a list of some opened already, and you can create your own GPT. And it's very simple. You don't need programming skills to do that. You click on the Configure button. You can give your chatbot a name and a description. You can create an initial prompt that the user sees when they access this chatbot. And you can create instructions like you might have done with the customs instructions feature. What you can also do is upload files. So you can upload your standards, your knowledge, and that is the information that ChatGPT draws on to find the answer. You can also enable the chatbot to browse the web, to create code and to create images. And also under the actions section, you can get it to query from APIs and draw in data from that source as well. So it's relatively straightforward to create one if you have custom knowledge, and you can upload an icon for the site as well. So we have created a couple. Another one we created was a chatbot that can act as a technical documentation reviewer, that can look at manuals and check whether it follows the styles and standards that we have as a company. So what we can do is upload a manual. In this case, we've just picked one from Microsoft called Picture It. And in this chatbot, what we uploaded when we configured it were the styles and standards, a 25 to 30 page document that we created of rules for creating technical documentation. What you'll find is the longer your standards document is, the slower the response will be. So we've kept it comparatively shorter than some style guides, technical documentation style guides you might see. And here is the response. So it's identifying some sections in the manual where it could be improved. So it's given some general advice. We can ask it to be more specific about the sections that could be improved. So what we can have with this is a chat, a conversation, back and forth. And it's listing some specific pages in the PDF that it suggests could be improved. So that's an overview of the new GPTs feature, and it's going to be quite useful in creating custom experts, custom chatbots that we can use for different functions within the world of technical communication. And this is something that we cover in our e-learning course on using generative AI in technical writing.